everyone, it's me, Eganth. Yes, and Zavar. Today, we're gonna challenge Zavar to do a challenge. It's pretty easy, but I hope you stick along. Hey, Zavar, do the say EBC without seeing challenge.
I cannot celebrate this.
What do you mean?
That is literally impossible, Sprat.
That's impossible. I can do it.
Yeah, and I can digest Lucky Charms.
You can't.
Because I'm Lucky Charms intolerant. James Captain Obvious.
Okay. Here, if I help you with it, do you promise you won't call me Captain Obvious again?
Sure.
Okay. Here goes nothing. We're going to each say something that A starts with, and then we'll go down each letter. A is for aeroplane.
A is for ant.
A is for apple. Now B. B is for bear.
B is for bear.
And B is for broke.
And B is for bed.
Okay, now C. C is for cat.
C is for coal.
And C is for cab. Okay, now D. D is for dog.
D is for dirt.
D is for dig. Now E. E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
What? E is for elk. And do you know what something else E stands for?
What?
Eganth! My name!
I always thought it started with an A.
It starts with an E, Zavar. Okay, now F. F is for fish.
F is for fry.
F is for frog. Now G. G is for garbage.
G is for coal.
G is for games. And do you know what else G stands for? Gaia3, my mom's name.
Okay, are you going to continue with your name?
Yes, I will, Zavar. Okay, H. H is for hat.
H is for hand.
H is for hail. Now I. I is for igloo.
I is for eyes.
And I is for imagination.
Eganth, please stop being cringy. Thank you.
Okay. Now J. J is for jelly.
J is for door.
J is for jeans. Now K. K is for kangaroo.
K is for koala.
And K is for kites.
Alright, cool.
Now L. L is for lion.
L is for leopard.
And L is for lake. Now M. M is for man.
M is for me.
And M is for monkey. Now N. N is for nanny.
N is for
Nest. And N is for noodles. Now O. O is for oxen.
O is for octopus.
And O is for orange. Now P. P is for pear.
P is for parrot.
And P is for pine tree. Now Q. Q is for queen.
Q is for cow. Question.
Yes, what's your question, Zavar?
No, question starts with a Q.
Okay, that's a very good one, Zavar, I must admit. Okay, now we go to R. R is for rake.
R is for rhinoceros.
And R is for rat.
And R is for rabbit.
Okay, now S. S is for snake.
S is for silk.
And S is for Sunday.
The day?
No, not the day. The ice cream.
You should give me some Sundays after this.
Yeah, I will. Okay, I will after this. Okay. Now T. T is for turtle.
T is for turkey.
And T is for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes, happy Thanksgiving. My old dear fans, make sure you like and subscribe down below also. That would really help us. Okay, and do you know what another thing S starts with? Subscribe. You should subscribe now. Okay. Now U. U is for for unicorn.
Yours for umbrella.
And you, that's about it I have. V. V is for vehicle.
B is for van.
Okay, now W. W is for water.
W is for watch.
And W is for wheel. X is for xylophone.
I can't remember anything else.
Okay, we'll just move on to Y. Y is for yak.
Y is for yodel.
Oh God.
Yoda, 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 yoda.
Stop. Please stop. Please, Zavar. I just beg of you, don't start yodeling again.
Okay. I'll do it.
Oh God. Please wish me the best of luck. Thank you. Okay, now Y is for yo-yo. Now Z. Z is for zebra.
And Z is for Zavar.
Yes, Z is for Zavar. The awesome. Well, I hope you liked the video. As I already said, subscribe and like.
Subscribe, and like, subscribe, and like, subscribe.